Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just brought into stock this lovely Mercedes A-Class. It's the AMG Sport. I mean, for its age, it's in stunning condition, great price range. It's got the upgraded gloss, black alloy wheels, AMG, full AMG body styling kit. It's got the deeper diffuser, rear exhaust. I mean, for its age, it is absolutely stunning. Interior is in lovely condition. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the car, we've got auto headlights. It's only done 75,000 miles, I believe. There we go, back to it. 75,468 miles. It's got cruise control. Just start the car up. Sounds amazing. Climate control, 6-speed gearbox. This little orange round here makes it stand out a bit more. Entertainment systems all there. At DJH do provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For inquiry further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.